Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download Stake app on phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, it's a very easy steps. So all you have to do is you have to have the access of your app store or Play Store in your mobile phone and go to search bar and type in Stake. Once you have done that, you will find your Stake app right over here. Tap on off this get or the download icon available. Simply go ahead and confirm the verification, and you will be able to tap on this install option, and you can install the app right over there. Once the app has been installed, you're gonna be able to find your app registered likewise over here on the screen like the other apps on your mobile phone, and you can go ahead, open it up, sign in or register, and you can use it however you like over there on your Stake app itself. So that's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.